Good day, everyone. Welcome back to the new episode of Kareli Academy. I am Ntate Kareli, your facilitator. We are going to revise together the financial accounting N4 question paper. With you, you should have June 2023 question paper. That is the one that we are going to revise now. While you are looking for your question paper, let us subscribe to this channel. Click on the subscribe button, and then also click on the notification bell so that you will be notified on every new presentation that we have. Also, don't forget to like the picture, also comment. Your comment will really assist us into improving this channel. Now, I believe you have the question paper. We said it's June 2023. And today we are going to deal with question 2 of that particular question paper. Now, if you are on the right page, question 2, it reads, the information given below was taken from the books of your local soccer club on 28 February 2022. You are required to prepare the general ledger accounts, 2.1 membership fees account, 2.2 income and expenditure account. Let us check if we have the question there, the answer sheet. Here is the answer sheet for membership fees account. And don't be surprised when you see it as subscription account. It's the same thing. It's either they use the term membership fees account or a subscription account. And then 2.2, we have our income and expenditure account. Here it is. So we have 2 of the needed accounts on the answer sheet. Yes. Now the information, we are given the balances or the totals on the 1st of March 2021. That is the beginning of the financial period. And then also we are given B, the receipts and payments for the year ending 28th February. That is the end of the financial period. And then there is also an additional information. Now, this topic is much easier because it does not change. You should always know where you are going to type what. You should always know where you are going to type what. So, we said we are given A, balances. We're given A, balances on the 1st of March. Those are the opening balances. B, at the end of the financial period, we have receipts and payments for 28 February. And then you have additional information from number 1 till number 6. Now, we are going to start first with A. On A, what do we need? On A, we need the opening balances on the 1st of March. Now we are dealing with the membership fees account. Therefore, the amounts or the accounts that will affect membership fees will be indicated. There they are. Membership 1 is the income receivables. 2, or second one is income received in advance. Now, don't be confused. Income receivables, sometimes it's written as accrued income. It means that is an outstanding amount. Now, we are going to have these amounts as our opening balances. On the debit side, on the 1st of March, we have income receivable or accrued income. Income receivable or accrued income of 6,000. And then on the credit side, we have again the opening balances for income received in advance. which is 21,600. We have 6,000. We have 6,000 for income taxables. We have 21,000 for income in advance. I believe you can see them. Then we move to B. We move to B, and remember I said we only look for those that affects the membership fees account. And from B, as you can see, we have membership fees 2021, membership fees 2022, membership fees 2023. It's those three amounts. Now you record them as they are on our answer sheet. What do we have? The 28th of February on the credit side. We have bank. You must indicate it's bank 2021. How much is it? It's 4,800. And then bank 2022. How much is it? It's 112,800. And then bank 2023. How much is it? It's 12,000. You have them like that. Yes. Then what else do we have from the question paper given? We are also given the membership fees refunded, meaning those are your bank refunds. Remember, everything in receipts is the amounts that we have received, and everything in payments is the amounts that we have paid. Now this is the refund. Now it means what are we doing? We are refunding the membership fees, meaning that is an expense. It goes to the debit side. Now on the debit side, what are we going to have? Remember to include the date. It's on the 28th of February. We will have the bank refunds. Now how much is the refunds? Our refund is 10,000. You see that? Yes. Now let us continue. On the question paper, under B, we are done with those that affects the membership fees. Now let's go down to C, additional information, so that we can check again which accounts affect our membership fees. Let us check. Number 1, membership fees outstanding for 2021 must be written off. Now, remember, when account is written off, that means it should be credit losses. Now we write the account off on the credit side. You will have credit losses. And now you must indicate how much was outstanding. Check the amount that was outstanding. Let me go to answer sheet. We have the credit losses on the credit side. There it is. Now we want to check which amount was outstanding. Now you will see those on your opening balances. Their income receivable, it means 6,000 was outstanding. Now you write that 6,000, it was outstanding. Now from that amount that was outstanding, 4,800 was paid for 2021. Remember, on the question paper, they are saying outstanding for 2021. Now 2021, our opening balances, we had 6,000 as an opening balance, and from the payment, from the receipts, it indicates that we received for 2021 4,800. Therefore, how much will be outstanding? 6,000 minus 4,800. Now, the outstanding amount will be 1,200. Do you get it? Yes. Means 6,000 was outstanding. There's 6,000 opening balance, it was outstanding. And then we received 4,800 for 2021. Now, what outstanding is 1,200. That should be written off. Right? Let us continue. Number 2, 60 members must still pay their subscription for 2022. Meaning those are the ones that have not paid. 60 members, they must still pay, meaning they are receivable for 2022. And now each member should pay how much? Fees are 400 per members per annum. Now, for the current year, we have income receivable is on the credit side. Income receivable. What did they say? They said 60 members did not pay. And those 60 members, you multiply them by their subscription, or you multiply them by their membership fees amount, which is 400 rands per member. And how much will the answer be? 60 members multiplied by 400 rands, and we have 24,000. Remember, 60 members were outstanding for the current year. They still have to pay. It means they are receivable, and each pays 400. Therefore, it's 400 multiplied by those 60 members. It gives you how much? 24,000. Now back to our question paper. And then the entrance fees must be capitalized. Let us mark number 3. We will come back to it because it affects the income and expenditure. Let me just highlight it with this yellow color. Number 4, provide for outstanding on fixed deposit. I will come back to it as well. I want us to complete first with the membership fees. And then number 5 is stationery. Means also the stationery, we'll come to it. And number 6, meaning these are those that affect the income and expenditure. We'll come back to them. Now, what have we not done? Now, from our question paper, we understand that there is also membership fees paid for 2023. There is also membership fees paid for 2023. And remember, we are currently on 2022. Therefore, it means these ones are received in advance. We have received these in advance. Therefore, we need to indicate that on our answer sheet. On our answer sheet, we need to indicate that we have the income that is received in advance. Which one is it? It's this one of 12,000, 2023. You had it as it is, 12,000. And then we are done. Now we need to balance the two sides. Guys, I'm using Excel. I'm just going to use AutoSum. AutoSum will add all these amounts. Therefore, how much is it? It's 176,400. And then the difference between these two sides. The difference between these two sides, we call it the income and expenditure. Now let's have it. Income and expenditure. On your calculator, you will say 176,400 minus 6,000 minus 10,000 minus 140, no, minus 100 and, no, is, or minus 12,000, pardon me. It's 176,400 minus 6,000 minus 10,000 and you also minus 12,000, and our answer will be 148,400. Now it means we are done with our membership fees account. Now I'm highlighting this amount because we must perform the double entry or the counter entry system, which means membership fees account was debited with income and expenditure. Now therefore income and expenditure account should be created with membership fees. With what? With the amount of 148,400. You see that? Then when we are done, let me show the entire 2.2. When we are done, we go back to our question paper. Now on our question paper, now we check B. Remember, we are doing the income and expenditure of the current year. Therefore, membership fees account, we have done it. We are done with the membership fees account. We don't consider them for now. And then the receipts are your incomes, therefore they are on the credit side. Means we will have entrance fees and gate taking. Let us include them on our question paper, or on our answer sheet, pardon. We will have the entrance fees, also the gate takings. Now, membership fees, we have it already. We have transferred it from the membership fees account. Then let's check what else do we have from the question paper on the receipt side. Nothing. So let's have this insurance, membership funds. Membership funds, we have used it again as well. Membership refunds, we have used it when we were doing membership fees, so we are not going to use it for this income and expenditure account. Therefore, we have insurance, stationery, and water and electricity. Now remember, they are our expenses. Therefore, they go to the debit side. Expenses, debit sides. Please don't forget to indicate the dates. We have insurance. We have stationery. We have water and electricity. T. The dates, let's not forget the dates. Now, I'm not going to write the amounts first so that we can check from our additional information what do they have to say about these. Now, remember, students, please click the subscribe button for you to be part of this wonderful community, and also click the notification bell to be notified about the future presentations. Now, we are on number 3 on the question paper. Entrance fees of 56,000 must be capitalized. What does it mean? Now, this means now from the entrance fees that we had, entrance fees of 256,000, this one, from that 256,000, 56,000 must be capitalized. It means we are now going to say our entrance fees, opening balance, it's 256,000. We minus how much? We minus 56,000. And how much is the difference? The difference will be 200,000. It means this 56,000, it is now capitalized. Now, if it's capitalized, remember, it will go to our accumulated funds. And then, date takings, and then we go back to our question paper, the fourth additional information. On the fourth additional information, they are saying now, provide for outstanding interest on capital. Okay, provide for outstanding interest on the fixed deposit at Capital Bank. The investment was made on the 1st of January. Now, if it was made on the 1st of January, it means we only had this interest for 2 months. Now, what do? We go back to our opening balances. Looking for what? We are looking for the fixed deposit. It's 1,350,000 with an interest rate of 12% per annum. So we must go to our answer sheet now. And when you check, we did not have an opening balance for interest on fixed deposit. Therefore, it's a new entry, meaning everything there is outstanding, everything on our interest on fixed deposit. Now, what do we do to fixed deposit? We are now going to say 1,350,000, and then we multiply that by, let me just increase this column, and then we are going to I'm trying to have this at the bottom. Yes, 135,000, we multiply it by 12%. That was given as our percentage. Remember, it's 1,050,000 multiplied by 12% per annum. And we agreed that according to the information given on number 4, the investment was made on 1 January. That means it's January and February. It's 2 months. Now, if it's 2 months, we go to our answer sheet and say we are going to multiply again by 2 and divide by 12. How much is going to be? Equals to, let me indicate open brackets, 1,350,000 multiplied by 12%, and the amount that we get will be multiplied by 2 divided by 12, meaning 2 months from 12 months. Now the outstanding amount will be 27,000. You see that using this calculation, right? Let us proceed. Number 5, stationery on hand as per physical inventory count at the end of the year is 1,800. That is stationery. Therefore, we must take the opening balance for stationery. Take the open balance 4,200, and then we subtract the outstanding amount. Actually, the stationery on hand, which is 1,800. Right? On our answer sheet, debit side, we have stationery. That is our stationery. We're going to say 4,200, and then we subtract from it the stationery on hand, which is 1,800. How much is it going to be? 4.2 minus 1.8 is 2,400. Do you see that? Then on our question paper, we go to additional information number 6. That is for depreciation. Equipment to be depreciated at 15% per annum according to diminishing balance method. Now, when we're doing the first module, on the first module, you were taught how to calculate the depreciation. This is the depreciation. Depreciation on equipment. Now we're going to say the depreciation on equipment is how much? The calculation, we're going to say the cost price. Remember, they say on diminishing. Therefore, it should be cost price 885,000 minus the accumulated depreciation. Remember, on diminishing, you always subtract accumulated depreciation from the cost price. But if it's on cost, you only use the cost price to calculate this depreciation. So now we must have cost price minus accumulated depreciation, and the answer that we get, we multiply it by the percentage given, that is 15%. Let us check on the question paper if we are doing the correct things. On the question paper, you are given equipment on cost, that it is 885,000, and accumulated depreciation on equipment, that it is 815,400. That is what we have used. 885 minus 115,400, and then we multiply it by the given percentage, which is 15%. 885000 minus 115,400 multiplied by 15%, it gives us 115,440. Now we are done with our additional information. We can have our insurance amount 128,700. We can also have our water and electricity amount, the spellings form. Water and electricity amount is 7,500, and then our gate takings is 234,500. Now, when all those are done, what is outstanding? You go back and check from our membership fees. We have the credit losses of 1,200. Now, those credit losses, remember, they are our expenses. So you must have them, credit losses. And it's important to indicate that those comes from membership fees written off. It was how much? It was 1,200. So don't forget to do that once you are done. Then we are done. We must balance our two sides. When I check, the debit side looks greater. It's 609,900. 609,900. And then the difference between the two sides, we will call it accumulated funds. How much will it be? We take 609,900, you minus 128,700, minus 2,400, minus 7,500, minus 115,440, and then the answer will be 355,600. Let me check 609,900. That is the total. 128,700, 2,400, 7,500, and 115,440. Or I did not include 1,200. Are they all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then our answer for accumulated funds will be 354,000. Now, sometimes it happens that they also want you to do the accumulated funds account. Therefore, remember to transfer this 354,000 to accumulated funds, and also the 56,000 that was capitalized. Now, my lovely friends and students, we are done with question 2. So please guys, you've been a wonderful audience. Any questions that you might have, please send it on the comments. I will also provide you with my email address, that is tabiso.kareli@gmail.com. You can ask your questions there. Remember, again, click the subscribe button to be part of this community. Click the like buttons if you like this video, and your comments are really appreciated. Click the subscribe button and click the notification bell to make sure that you are always notified when we are having a new lesson. And next week, guys, we go to question 3. We will be doing statement of profit or loss and comprehensive incomes, statement of financial possession, statement of chasing equity, and also the notes. We are going to do them, and make sure you join us on the next video. Thank you very much, guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.